TPDDL fans, and happy What Wednesday.
Hey Leslie, so why was the mushroom invited to the party?
Because he's a fungi?
Actually, it's fungi. Today we want to make a PSA addressing the question,
what? Not all fungi are mushrooms?
An acervulus is an erumpent, open, saucer-shaped fruiting body, bearing conidiaphores and conidia. They can be plant parasitic, come from an acervulus structure, like corinium. A pycnidium is a closed or nearly closed asexual fruiting body bearing conidiophores and conidia internally. An example of a fungi from a pycnidium is Phyllostycta, causal agent of Phyllostycta leaf spot. A synema is a cylindrical compact group of conidiophores. An example of this structure is Ophiostoma ulmi, causal agent of Dutch elm disease. A sporodochium is a cushion-shaped structure made up of closely grouped conidiophores. An example of sporodochium is Fusarium, causal agent of Fusarium wilt. A basidiocarp is a basidium spore-bearing fruiting body of a basidiomycete, which includes mushrooms, conchs, or shell fungi. A fungus in the phylum Basidiomycota. They can grow saprophytically on decaying organic material, or they can be linked to wood-rotting pathogens such as Gamaderna species. A conidiophore is a conidia, spore-bearing specialized mycelial branch. Fungi in the phylum Ascomycota. Common plant pathogens such as Cercospora species, Botrytis species fall into this category of fungi.
Information.
see you next week.
Bye.
No.